guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to take some time to thank all my new subscribers, and if you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and let's be friends forever. Anyways, so today I'm gonna open my new ring light with you guys. I've received it, I want to say last month, but I just haven't had a chance to open it, and so we're gonna open it together. If you've been on this channel since I started, then you would know that I've made a DIY ring light, which is the one that I've been using. However, if you want to be real, nobody wants to watch a raggedy video, and so I was able to afford a ring light which was not that expensive, and so I went ahead and bought it. Anyways, I say all that to say that most people would advise you to wait until you start having revenues on your channel, then you can take that money, then buy more gear, you know, for your equipment or whatever. But I chose not to follow the advice because that's just what I do. I do what I want. Anyways, so without further ado, I have everything set up over here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start opening. And the ring light that I have, I don't think it's the whole set, it's just the ring light on its own, because I already had a light stand that I bought separately a while back, so that's what I'll be using. I'm pretty sure it'll work, and so I just got the ring light on its own, which is the reason why it was more affordable. Anyways, I'll go ahead and put all the information of the light itself in the description box. And yeah, anyways, let's get going. But it's from Neewer, I don't know how you pronounce that. Neewer, whatever. So it comes in this huge bag, unnecessary, but I think it's good for traveling. So if you are to take your ring light, whatever you're going, you could just put it in this bag here. This is pretty cool though. All right. Let me show you guys. So as I opened the zipper, I'm not sure what was supposed to be here. Maybe if you had purchased filters or whatever, they would go in here, and it's well protected, I would say. So you go ahead and remove this foam thing, and then the light is in there. So I think this is how what you're supposed to do. You would keep this foam thing, that way when you need to go somewhere traveling, and then for your ring light to be well protected, you will just put it back in here. So let's see, I hope it's not broken. Come on, come out. Success. It was not broken. Ah, looks so good. Yes. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up my light stand, and I'll turn it on, so we'll do the before and after. Oh, like I said, I got this light stand separately a while back, so I'll add that as well down below. Everything that I got it from Amazon. It was pretty cheap, so. Moment of truth, guys. Okay, so I finally figured it out, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on right now. I'm kind of excited. Yes. Okay, I know it's gonna be bright, so I'm gonna God, it's so bright. Okay. Ooh, hey. I don't know, I don't have a filter because I didn't think I needed it, so I don't know. Yo, this is fire. Okay, so right now the light is on. Let me turn the light off and see what it does. Okay, so this is without any light on, and then if you turn the light on, yeah, I don't know which one is better, but I know you can make it. Yeah, you turn it and you can make it brighter. Oh my god, yeah, you make it brighter, or this is the brightest actually. God, this is so bright. And then you can turn it down. This is all the way down. So let's see the brightest without any lights. Hey, this is pretty cool. I'm about to kill my selfie game. Is gonna be poppin'. Anyway, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.